Ready? Begin. Mr. Chairman, sir, I am not surprised that there was only a limited debate on this bill because this matter has been considered by various committees and also periodically we discuss the income tax and various other connected matters every year during the discussion on the finance bill. As far as this bill is concerned, it went through the select committee in stages where extensive evidence was taken, various documents were scrutinized, and there was a full and frank discussion within the committee on the basis of which the proposals have been formulated now. There could always be adjournments either on this side or that side, but ultimately we have to take a decision, and we had taken a decision. I am not prepared to say that with the passage of this bill, everything will be all right. Particularly in matters of this kind, it is a hide and seek play. You plug the known loopholes. After all, human ingenuity is such that one always gets over any statutory provision, and particularly when we have a learned profession engaged in methods of finding avoidance. Certainly, whatever we may do in this house, I am sure is not going to be the end of it. We have to review the position continuously and we have to plug the loopholes. As long as the present structure of taxation stands, we cannot make very many radical changes. If we get away from that, then the whole thing will have to be looked into in a different way altogether. Therefore, taking into account the existing structure, whatever points are to be examined have been examined completely only recently by the Vanchu committee, on the basis of which these proposals have formulated. Various suggestions have been considered by the Vanchu committee and later on discussed in the select committee, and we have taken some decisions. Naturally, much concern was expressed with regard to black money because this is one thing which is coordinating the life of the nation as a whole. I mean this parallel economy. Therefore, anyone who is interested in the healthy development of the economy will have to be very much concerned about the generation of black money in various ways. An honorable member gave an estimate that it might be rupees 20,000 crores. It would then be not black money but black wealth, because money means that it should be in the form of currency, notes or coins. This black money continuously gets converted into various sorts of assets like real estates, shareholdings, etc. Thus, the process continuously goes on. Therefore, when we talk in terms of black money as such, it is a limited amount. Taking into account the total currency available and the currency taking into account what has come into the system, it is only a small quantity that will be in the form of black money as such. We have to distinguish between the two. It is the generation of black money which leads to black wealth. We have therefore to take steps to see what are the sources by which this black money is generated, and more than that, where this black money is invested. Unless we tackle these two things, we would not be able to find a solution. Now, we are trying to find out where it is invested. As a matter of fact, the real estate, particularly in many of the metropolitan urban areas, has been the area where perhaps most of the monies are invested as such, apart from this money being used for trade purposes. That is another matter. But as far as investment is concerned, they are invested in houses, in cinema houses, godowns, commercial buildings, etc.